The cabin air filter in the second generation VW Tiguan is located behind the glove box, so first you need to open it. After this, push both of these little plastic tabs at the same time to open the glove box door completely. The air filter is located right behind this black plastic cover. But it's very easy to remove this cover. All you have to do is to push the 3 upper tabs on it. Now you can remove the filter and replace it. After you compared the new and old filter, you can push the new filter inside, but pay attention to the airflow arrow, which has to point downwards according to the actual airflow. Lastly, put back the plastic cover and push the glove box door back to its default position. However, make sure that the glove box plastic shaft goes properly back to the hinge. And that's it. The whole procedure is very easy, so don't worry, you can handle that like a champ anytime, and guess what? Anywhere. By the way, you should replace the cabin air filter every year, and the best is to order the new according to the part number which is on the old one, since in this case there are numerous versions of this filter.